I am a second year PhD student in the Department of Electronics and Electrical Communication Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. I am a resident of Vikram Sarabhai Residential Complex. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary, Sports and Games, Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the session, for the academic session 2012-2013.
You may continue with the recipe.
During my 6 years of stay at IIT Kharagpur, I have been actively involved with the sports activities of Gymkhana, especially on sports and games. I was selected for inter-IIT football team during the session 2010-2011. I am playing for VSRC football team since 2007, and I was the captain of VSRC football team since last 2 years. I was one of the team members of bronze winning cricket team and silver winning football team during my BTech level studies. I have won a number of medals by participating many state level and district level cricket and football tournaments. I am serving as a General Secretary Sports and Games and Alumni Affairs for VSRC since last 2 years. I was the sponsorship head of VSRC during the session 2011-2012. I was the organizing head of 7 national and 3 international level workshops during my stays at IIT Kharagpur in the field of VLSI. Apart from my active participation with all of these extracurricular activities, I have managed to score 9.31 CGPA in my MS by research degree. Being a PhD scholar, till now I have published 14 international research papers in various reputed journals and conferences. I have won 3 Best Research Paper Awards in 3 different conferences. I have won 2.05 lakhs rupees by participating in a national level contest, namely Cadence Design Contest in 2010. If I win, I am ensuring that I will fulfill my duties with utmost sincerity, dedication and sincerity.
No, can you repeat the last line?
If I win, I will fulfill my duties with utmost sincerity, dedication and hard work.
Before we begin with the questioning, I would just like to request the panel not to make any personal comment on any other candidate. This has been happening for a long time now. If it happens one more time, it will not be tolerated.
Okay. So, Indranil, I have a question. Before coming to this, so how many inter-IIT players have you met?
Sir, I have tried to meet many of them, but I couldn't get to manage them.
Just can you tell an approximate number?
It will be 3 to 4 persons I have met.
Do you know how many inter-IIT players are there, the contingent size?
Actually, I have that list.
You don't know the number, the total contingent size.
I think it is 140.
Mr. Indranil, I have a question.
Yeah, I have a question. What is the size for the boys inter-IIT contingent?
It is, I think, 115 plus 25.
115 plus 25. Yeah, you are correct. So,
Mr. Mani.
no, I have a question.
It's not a follow-up question.
I have a question. Out of 150
It's not a follow-up question. We have been asking continuously 4 to 5 questions. How can this be allowed?
I have a follow-up question.
There are 15 members in a panel who are sitting. One person cannot ask 5 questions simultaneously. If it is not a follow-up question, it will not be allowed. If it is not a follow-up question, it will not be allowed. Mani, you may complete the question.
I have one question.
Mr. Indranil.
We are not five.
So the soap will be cancelled if we even 40 seconds. Mr. Indranil.
I have my question. So,
First of all, I'd like to say an excellent credentials. I have two questions to ask. How do you manage it and how you are going to manage in the future?
the thing, no, it's my turn.
My turn.
Okay.
What?
I think we'll have to stop the soap. If the panel wants to stop the soap,
We have requested one person cannot ask 6 questions simultaneously, and even if it's not a follow-up question, you are making him allow this. Tell me how can you justify this if you are allowing him? Okay, I have the same question. How did you manage to do this in the last 7 years, and how you are going to manage your personal life and your professional life being a PhD scholar?
Sir, till now I am doing that, and I am ensuring that in future, if I being selected as a general secretary, I will do that with my 7 years of experience. Before we continue, I'm making it clear right now. If we have one more argument among the panelists, we are going to stop the soapbox. So you will decide accordingly.
Okay, it's a follow-up question. Mr. Indranil, explain from your soap and your credentials, how can you manage the post of General Secretary Sports and Games? Because you have to work with a person who's having a 10 years of age or 6 or 7 years of age difference. How can you manage this?
Sir, actually I was selected for Inter-IT football team during the session 2010 and 11, and I have played with the undergraduate student as well as the postgraduate student, and I am the in charge of a VLSI lab where more than 200 students are coming in each semester. I am interacting with them, I am solving their problems in that lab, and I have also many friends from the undergraduate as well as the postgraduate. So I think I will manage this thing in my future also.
Indranil, I have a question. So you met 3 players out of 140. So can you give me a reason?
Actually, sir, I have tried my level best to meet all of them, but I couldn't make it.
That's what I am asking. Why could not you meet them? Why did not you meet them?
Actually, some of them I have tried, but due to the lack of their time, I couldn't make it.
Okay, and one more question. So you were a part of the Inter-IT football team during 2010-11.
Yes, sir.
So you went to IIT Delhi.
No, sir. At the last moment, I got flu, so due to the medical reason, I couldn't attend to the IIT Delhi football match.
Okay, Mr. Indranil, did VSRC Hall of Residence have participation in Inter Hall a couple of years back?
Sir, when I have basically joined in IIT Kharagpur in August 2006 as a resident of Vikram Sarabhai. At that time, there was no participation in the Inter Hall from VSRC. I took the initiative and make a football team and participating from 2007 to till date. As a General Secretary, Sports and Games, since last 2 years, I took many initiatives so that VSRC is now participating in many events like cricket, badminton, volleyball, swimming, and one of the players, he has done exceptionally well in this 47 inter-IT sports swimming. His name is Anupam Bhatt. He is also from VSRC. I took all of this initiation as a General Secretary.
Talk about your research experience. Do you think you will be able to manage the?
Madam, I am managing till now, and in future also, I think that I could manage it.
Do you know about Revancel? Do you know about Revancel?
Yes.
How do you implement it?
Actually, grievance cell came on 7th March 2012. And I have seen only 3 posts, one for testing purpose, and 2 other posts has been posted on grievance cell. Yes, why? Actually, sir, prior to that, I was not that much confident. Now I am confident that whatever I have experience I have gained in terms of time management, event management, as a part of this organizing team of the workshop, 10 workshop. So I think I could do some of the betterment to the students community of IIT Kharagpur. So I am confident, that's why I am contesting.
Indranil, I have a question. So, what is the most important quality required for a General Secretary Sports?
Sir, actually, according to the constitution, the one general secretary should be the executive head of Shaurya. And in Shaurya, you need to do publicity, event management, as well as sponsorship. I have gained so much of experience. I have acted as a sponsorship head last year for BSRC, where I have collected substantial amount of money for the holiday. So I think I could manage that thing using my experience. Okay, sir, just a second. I have organized 7 national workshops and 3 international workshops. So I think that organizing Shaurya, it needs event management as well as the sponsorship and as well as so I could manage all those things as I have done already in the earlier. So that's why I'm going.
Yeah, Indranil, one more thing. Do you think inter-IT exposure is important for a GSEC sports?
Pardon me?
Do you think inter-IT exposure is important for a person who is contesting for the post of General Secretary Sports and Games?
Sir, as a General Secretary Sports and Games, you need to be a part of inter-IT so that you could know it doesn't show that you could be a part of inter-IT. You may be or you may not be. That doesn't matter whether you are a General Secretary Sports and Games. Only the thing is that you need the managerial skill so that you could handle the various activities of subcommittee as well as the smooth running of day-to-day activities of Gymkhana.
Okay. You said that you were selected in the inter-IT football team.
Yes, sir.
Can we elaborate on the selection in the top 11? What selection?
Sir, actually I have practiced with, every day I have practiced, but at the last moment I got injured, so because of my medical reason I couldn't attend.
Were you in the probables?
Yes,
Were you in the probables?
No sir, I was not in the probables.
How can you say that you were selected?
Actually at that time Suhas Reddy, actually I play as a stopper in the football. So if you want to verify, you can ask Mondal sir.
But were you in the probables or not?
No, I was not in the probables.
Mr. Indranil defined your SOP that you have sportsmanship and you are in a position to contest for the General Secretary Sports and Games. Elaborate it.
Pardon me, sir.
Considering the sportsmanship you have and your credentials, how it will be fit for a position of General Secretary Sports and Games?
Sir, I think that as a General Secretary, you need to manage, as I said, you need to manage the various activities of the subcommittee as well as the smooth running of day-to-day activities of Gymkhana. I have already doing that. I have the time management skill, I have the event management skill, as well as I have the team spirit, so I will do that in future also.
Are you aware of the roles of GSEC during inter-IT?
Pardon me?
Are you aware of the roles of GSEC during inter-IT?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
Actually, you need to go for the that means the board meeting. You need to as a General Secretary, you need to attend the board meeting, and you need to you need to be responsible for the replacement as well as their travel and any other issues. You need to be concerned.
So, if elected, you won't be, I guess you're not part of any game or inter-IT sport, right?
Yes, sir.
So, how will you manage these in Roorkee?
Sir, actually, as a part of, whenever I have organized these 7 national workshops and 3 international workshops, at that time, the professor came from the different corners of India. So at that time, I have handled all those things. So I think this time also, I will manage.
During the workshop, you are physically present there, right?
Yeah, everything I have.
You won't be present in Roorkee. So, how will you manage those things?
Actually, from the previous, we will talk with the respective captain in concern with the sports officer in charge and the PTI. and we will come up with a plan, and according to the plan we will do.
Indrajit, you may take your seat. We already exceeded the time.
Last question, yeah.
No, we already done with the time. We are already done with the time. Indrajit, you may take your seat.
Thank you all.
We'll now move on to the proposals. Each candidate will come forward and they will read out all their proposals once in the order.
A new information system which will provide online sports and games related information to all the members of IIT Kharagpur. This should be a unique portal only for sports and games, having its link on the present Gymkhana website page to provide all the relevant information to the students community at IIT Kharagpur. My vision for proposing this to make the present Gymkhana website more popular and more informative, and to improve upon the performance of the IIT Kharagpur teams in inter-IIT. This will make each and every student more aware and well informed about all the information of the event organized by Technology Students Gymkhana. The saline features of the website.
You just have to read out your all the proposals once. After that, you will start discussing. So just read the proposal in brief.
I have the second proposal where I am proposing to construct a dressing room cum washroom as well as the permanent dugout for the players inside the campus. Tata Sports Complex contains 4 grounds where there are 2 football grounds and 2 for cricket, and has only 1 washroom. So there is no such facility near Gango Stadium and basketball complex. So that is my second proposal.
Okay, we may start discussing the first proposal now.
Yeah. Before going to my first proposal, first I have thought that I could provide to the student all the information about games and sports in the Gymkhana website. After that, I thought that whether whatever I am thinking, whether the students are thinking or not. So what I did, I took a survey over 500 students, and I got the response that whether they have needed that information in the Gymkhana website or not, and I got a very positive response. The saline features of the website is online availability of the relevant information like the coach, name of the coaches, captains, inter-IIT players, concerned secretaries, and the rules and regulation of each event organized by Gymkhana, along with the existing results of your Open IIT, Soria, Interall, and Inter-IIT. My second feature is online maintenance of attendance records of all players for all sports practice sessions. My third point is online query and feedback system, where any student using his roll number can submit his views or complain their issues or suggest their views to the authority. And online he can monitor his status of his views and suggestion. The fourth point is online video tutorial along with the videos of all the inter-IIT events and the interall event final.
Can I ask a question? If the candidate wants to continue, then he can.
My fifth point is that all the updates and notices will be disseminated through SMS as well as ERP mails as well as their personal emails. And my sixth point is there will be a hit counter so that we could monitor that how many hits have been there in our website so that we could improve upon the website.
And the panel can start the questioning now. Mr. Indrajit, I saw through the dummy website screenshots you have provided in your proposal.
Yes.
They look pretty good, but I would like to read the first line of one of the windows. It says, any doubts or queries that you may have about anything that falls under the umbrella of sports and games at IIT B, shoot away. I guess this portal is about IIT Kharagpur. What is IIT B doing there?
Actually, sir, that is a dummy proposal. That is a dummy website.
Has it been copied or it is your novel idea?
No, actually this is my novel idea. but I am doing the website and making the website. At that time, the HTML code has been only copied.
Okay, so at the top it says IIT Kharagpur Sports.
Yes, sir.
So have you not modified all the part for this screenshot? Because at the top you have modified and made it IIT Kharagpur. Why the first line says
Sir,
IIT?
I have put these things only to show that what will be the point which I am going to put in that website. I am just going to show that by presenting you the dummy website.
Survey was for 500 students, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it involved UG, PG.
Yes.
How did you select the students? Well,
Actually, I went to each and every lab. Like I have went to basic electronics lab. I have went to digital communication lab. I have went to computer science lab, MTech lab, and I have just give them the feedback form and collect from them the feedback form. And I have that collection for feedback form with me.
should have been meeting the players of the inter-IIT contingent. You met 3-4 players, right? Of the contingent. So wasn't that much more important, meeting the players of the inter-IIT contingent, rather than, wasn't that the first priority for you, rather than this 500 student survey?
Sir, actually, I have just got the idea. And I just said to someone to do all those things because I was busy with other activities.
So basically this is not your idea only, and all the rest work has been done by somebody else.
No, that only the website part has been done by somebody else.
Please do not make the interpretation
because
It's a question.
Yes.
Yeah, please clarify. Continue.
Yes, actually I am not from the computer science background, so that's why I have asked my friend to make the dummy proposal so that I could show it in my show.
Mr. Indranil, you took a very good initiative. Collecting information from 500 students really takes time.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you explain me like how it's going to benefit for the students of IIT in the domain of sports and games?
Sir, if you see that question in the feedback form I have put, there were most of the cases like if you have see that question number 9, that online information system, a dedicated portal for all the sports related information of Gymkhana, whether it is very much needed or not needed. So if you could see that pie chart, it is showing that 65% of them said this is very much needed, 34% said that this is needed, only 1% said that this is not needed. So I think that this is the very much essential for the student community of IIT Kharagpur. So as a general secretary, my duty is to fulfill that thing.
Okay, Indranil, one thing. So you said that this is very important. I agree with
Yes,
you.
sir.
So you have talked to 3-4 players. They must have said about practice, lack of motivation, and lack of coaches as well.
Yes.
So don't you think problems like lack of coaches, they are the first problems that you should consider and take into account?
Actually, sir, for that also, I have thought that I could collect from the feedback or the views from the students, but I couldn't make it. So that's why I didn't do that.
So tell me one thing, you have met with the inter-IIT players.
Yes.
They must have said that there is lack of coaches.
Yes.
Yeah. So why do you need to ask anybody? This is a big problem and you needed to do something for it.
Sir,
That should have been
definitely,
your
if I
top
being
priority.
elected, if I being elected as a general secretary, definitely I will do. If you could just notice about my second proposal, I have been, that is for the common people, like the dressing, that is the common need of IIT Kharagpur in the Tata Sports, and as well as the GAN Road. And the basketball complex.
Mr. Indranil, do you think that the opinion of PGIs and coaches, rather than you will be in a position where you will be considering the opinion of the students, how does, like, what importance to you to give, like the opinions of the students or the opinions of
Sir, I think that it is, I will be the general secretary, that means I will be the representative of students community. So I think that it is much more important whatever the students think.
Yeah, Indranil, one thing.
Not whatever thinking I have.
And then considering the feedback that you have taken from 500 students,
Yes, sir.
and do you think whatever the feedback they have given you, will you work on every each and every aspect of the feedback?
Yes, sir. In my online feedback system, I will share my proposal. That means how I am succeeding. So that the student can via online they can monitor whether I am succeeding to my proposal or not.
Okay.
And another thing also, if we have an online portal, using some advertising, we also would get some sponsorship.
Okay. Considering that you are a research scholar student, I have a follow-up question.
Biplab, we have already had enough questions.
I have a
You are done. How many questions
I have
will you
a
ask?
follow-up question to this.
How many questions will you ask?
I think panelists cannot ask me that how many questions I can, because you have stated that a person can ask any number of questions, and if it is a follow-up question, I am entitled to ask the question. Yeah. Considering that you are a research scholar student, personally, did you feel that there is a need of information dissemination system?
Sir, as a PG student, I have asked, and I know that this is very much needed. So that's why not only for the PG, I have collected the feedback from the UG also, and I got that feedback that this is 64% people said that it is urgently needed.
Okay.
So that is enough.
In the mission it is written that this proposal will help improve upon the performance of IIT Kharagpur. How? Please elaborate on that. How will this help improve the performance as compared to getting external coaches?
If you just see that online, the point B, online maintenance of the attendance record of all the players for all sports practice sessions.
That's one point. And what are the other things that the proposal you think is needed for the improvement of the inter-IIT?
Sir, I think creating a much more aware about all the facilities and all the events we have for the motivating the students, as well as the first year students, as well as the PG students, each and every student much more aware of the facilities or fact of the Gymkhana, that will help to increase our performance in IIT.
This will be the last question.
Yeah, one question.
Money. Let us begin.
To make an online system, right? To justify you taking feedback from paper.
Sir, actually, whenever I am thinking that I could provide an online information system. So whether there is the need of that thing, first I could check that. So that's why I take the feedback, whether there is the need of that thing. Because whenever we are proposing something or we are developing something, if it is not useful for the society, then it is worthless. So that's why I take the feedback from the students, and I got a positive response, and I could do that.
In the online form,
you said that in your answer you said that making people aware of the facilities will help improve the performance. Isn't holding events and holding competitions much more a better way to improve the performance rather than making people aware of the facilities?
Sir, this is my first proposal, not only the proposal.
Yeah, and one more thing, Indranil, so this will be on the Gymkhana website, I guess.
This will be a part of Gymkhana.
Yeah, this will be a part of the Gymkhana website. Can you tell me how many people visit Gymkhana website? Do you have any rough idea?
Sir, online, who are the
Okay.
students visiting, how do I know?
Mr. Indranil,